Okay, so hello ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Marcel Putra with name 2025-32035. And today I'm gonna show you how to make the program like this. So this is the coding that I'm gonna use is this. Of course, we're gonna use in the library include iostream and using namespace std, and we move to the void tampilkan info. This is for the title of this program, and we must integer the square, which is mean what we need in here is something that gonna help us to calculate this. Okay, and this thing for the rectangle, of course we're gonna need this thing to calculate this thing. Okay, let's move to the next. Is we're gonna declare everything in here. Okay, first is this, the thing that we're gonna need to calculate the rectangle and the square. And this string name and name is for the user identity, and this thing as the program gonna output this thing to, you're gonna input your name and the program gonna input that thing that you input in the program is in here. And after that, same like the student ID, you're gonna input in here. The program gonna input in this string. Okay, and let's move to the this is tampilkan info, which is maybe same like void tampilkan info. It's for the title of this program. The program gonna output the thing, the identity of the user. Okay, and let's move to this is the main program. Is cout masukkan sisi persegi is for the side of the square, and this thing is for the length of the rectangle, and this is for the width of the rectangle itself. Okay, so let's move to this is integer luas is mean for the calculate the square, and this is for the calculate the rectangle. Okay, so after that the program gonna see out the result of this calculating in here. It's gonna luas persegi, and also luas is for the result of the square, and this is for the result of the rectangle. Okay, so we return 0, and we're gonna combine everything that we have already made in here. Like void tampilkan info, it's for the title of this program, and this one is, yes, of course, the title of this program itself, and this is integer luas persegi is for the, yes, for the square, and also this is the formula to calculate the square. Yes, multiply the side of the square is in 2 times, and in here is for the is the formula for calculate the rectangle itself, which is mean the program gonna start from here, yes, to calculate the length plus width first, and after that the result of the length plus width gonna multiply by 2 times. Okay, so that's it. Let's try it. Enter your name, for example my name. Yes, that's it. Okay, let's enter the side of the square, for example 4, the length of the rectangle, for example 5, and the width of the rectangle, for example 6. And that's it. Let me tell you how to calculate it. For example, like what I say before is this thing, the side of the square is gonna multiply by 2, and this thing, the length plus the width of the rectangle, and it's gonna multiply by 2. And that's it. See you next time. Bye bye. Thank you.